To upload codes to an Arduino board, follow these steps. Install Arduino IDE. Download and install from the Arduino website suitable for your operating system. Connect Arduino board. Connect your Arduino board to your computer using a USB cable. Open Arduino IDE. Launch the Arduino IDE that you installed earlier. Select the board from the Tools menu. Choose the appropriate Arduino board you are using under the board option. For example, Arduino Uno, Arduino Nano, etc. Select the port under the same Tools menu. Select the serial port your Arduino board is connected to under the port option. Write or open the sketch. Write your code. Or open the existing code sketch that you want to upload to the Arduino board. Verify and compile. Click on the Verify button checkmark icon to compile your code. Upload the sketch. After verifying successfully, click on the Upload button right arrow icon to upload the compiled code to the Arduino board. You will see the uploading progress in the status bar. Once the upload is complete, the Arduino board will execute the code you uploaded. If there are any outputs, you can observe them using LEDs, sensors, displays, or other components connected to the board. That's it. Your code is now uploaded and running on the Arduino board. Remember to double-check your connections and code for any issues before uploading to ensure smooth functionality.